Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a football player. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, something to draw with, I'm using a black marker that you can change for pencil. Let's start on the middle of the paper, and the first thing I'm gonna do is the shape of a letter M. But this is gonna be a letter M like really round, so I will show you. We're gonna start from the left side, going up, around, and going down again. So let's start here on the left side. I'm gonna go up and I start curving up and going down. Now I'm gonna make another curve, going up again, and now back down. You see, it's a little curvy letter M. In the middle, we're gonna do the eyes. So I'm gonna do one eye here underneath the curve that goes in the middle, and another one, and we're gonna fill them with black. Then we're gonna do the nose, and the nose is a backwards letter C, and the eyebrows are gonna be two rectangles, and these ones are pointing a little bit down, so it makes it look a little bit more serious, okay? Now let's do the bars of the helmet right here. So I'm gonna start here with a line that go across this point a little bit out, and I want to continue curving around the nose, and you see it has two little lines out. Now let's curve in each corner. Let's put a curve, and now we're gonna join these two together here on the bottom, following the same shape of the line that we did first. There. Now I want to do two little lines here in each side. They are very, very little. And I want to do again a little bit of an extra line here. I'm just going to extend it out. And now I'm going to join these two together with another curved line. The same shape we did up, the same shape. And now we're going to curve here in each corner. And we're going to join these two together. This is the second bar, so I'm going to try to leave the same space that I did up. Okay, now let's do another little line in each side again to continue down, and this time we're just going to join these two together. This is kind of like the bottom of the face or the bottom of the helmet. There. Now let's do around. So I'm going to start from this point. I'm going to go around and finish right here. Okay, so to do the helmet, I'm going to start going up, and we're going to try to go slow, so trying to do these lines as straight as possible. So I'm going to start curving up, and from this point I'm going down, 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 and I want to connect with this point. I want to do some decorations inside. So first I want to do two lines that go down from the top to over his eyes, and let's do one more, and these ones are very close together to the first ones. On the sides I'm going to do half a circles, so this is the first one, and let's do one more inside. Let's do one more here and one more there. Let's continue with the neck, and the neck is going to go here underneath the helmet, and it's half a circle, and I'm gonna do one more around this one really close for the color of the jersey. Now in this side I want to do the first shoulder, and it's a curved line that goes down. Now let's do one more line that goes to the right. It's short line, it's just very short. In the other side I want to do a diagonal line that comes from the helmet down, and it's a short line too. Now a little line that comes out diagonal up. Now let's join these two together. For the arm I'm doing two lines that goes diagonal up too here, and let's start doing the fingers. So we're gonna do first little line, and then a curve, and then a line. Let's repeat that step. Let's do a curve and a line, a curve, and this one I want to extend it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go around a little, and from this point I'm going to go around and close it. Now here I'm going to do the ball, and it's a curved line Let's do another one, go down, but this one is short. And here I'm going to start doing the finger. So I'm going to start in this side with a U shape, kind of like an upside down letter U. Let's do another one and almost look like a letter V. And now let's do 1 and 2 fingers. And we're going to join these two by doing a curved line here. There. So in the middle, I'm going to do here rectangles. I'm going to do 3 of them, and these are for the ball. And in the middle, we're going to cross a line that goes in behind the rectangles. Let's continue with the left arm. So here I'm going to do a line that goes behind the ball. And now let's do the elbow, goes down here. So I'm just go down and close it, really close to the hand. And one more line here to just mark the arm. I'm going to close this part, but first let's do here a letter U. So the letter U is going to touch the jersey part on the top. And now it's an upside down letter U actually. And now let's do one letter U here. This one is connected to the other one. And from this point, I'm going to do a diagonal line down. Just stop right there. I'm just past a little bit the second letter U I did. And here I'm going to start making the shoe. So I'm going to start with a rectangle shape. And then from this point, I'm going to go down with another letter U shape. This one is small. And here underneath, we're going to do a line. And then I'm going to do a half a circle. And this is the bottom part of the shoe. Let's put here a square with a line, just to seam the part of the shoe, the top part. And underneath, just to make it look more like the bottom part of the shoe, we are putting lines. Okay, here I'm going to stand the leg. So this leg is pointing back. It's like he's running. So from this point, I'm going to do another square with a line in the middle. That's part of the shoe. And around this one, I'm going to do a letter U shape right here. And that's it for my second shoe. Here, I'm going to put a curved line that goes up just to mark a little bit more of like the pants that he's wearing. Now, to finish this straw, we are just going to do here in the middle a number. You can choose the number that you like the most. I am going to put the number 2, which is my favorite number. And then that's it. We've finished. This draw can be a little tricky, but if you keep practicing, I'm sure you're gonna get it right. Remember, practice made best. And now here's where you're gonna stop the video if you wanna finish something with it, you wanna catch up. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.